welcome to another video. Today vlog, I'm gonna be going to meet up my friend over at the landfills of New York City. Well, it used to be a landfill, well, part of it. I'm going over to Staten Island, so I'm gonna go take the Staten Island ferry. And I haven't been on the Staten Island ferry for literally over about 15, 16 years.
Damn!
And the weather is fantastic out today. It's really sunny, as you can see, and it's pretty warm. So the ocean breeze should be really nice, actually. That if we could get onto the boat. I mean, I'm not so sure how accessible the ferry is for a person in a motorized chair. They say it's supposed to be accessible, but you never know. So I'm gonna go give it a try and see if I could get onto the boat and take a trip over to Staten Island, which I haven't been there in over 15 years. So I'll see you in a bit while I'm waiting for the bus.
I recall the past again tonight. It's in the front of my mind. As I fall apart, you began to cry. The tears are making you blind. The future's far away, but I'll stay, I'll stay. Just take a leap of faith, we'll find a way for you and me. Can't look back and run from what I feel inside. There's no more time to hide, because I feel again, I feel again, oh now I feel again, we're bringing this back to life.
Alright, we're at the ferry station right now. And ferry haven't came in yet, but once it comes in, we're gonna see if we can try to get on. Well, it doesn't look like a lot of people here today, so that's pretty good. There's a lot of people here. They're all trying to get on the ferry. See if I could get onto this ferry here.
Help me find the right words to say to get us back on our way. Can we try to fight against the grain of throwing out what we made? The future's far away, but I'll stay, because I feel again, I feel again, oh now
Governor's Island over there. We gotta try to go over there one of these days.
We're picking up where we left, off and on again. We never quite could forget, 'cause what we got so intense.
It's supposed to be inside fair, it looks like. Supposed to get some concession stands where you could get some stuff. That's pretty cool. Got burgers, some popcorn. There's the Verrazano Bridge.
Taking you Friday down ferry, we're entering Portsmouth and St. George.
Looks like everybody's ready to get off the boat. Another boat on the other end. Did I tell you that the ferry is free? That you don't have to pay anything to get on the ferry? And it's a nice 10-minute ride. Well, we got off the ferry. There's a lot of people in there. I gotta let some of them leave first before I try to move. I'll see you a bit after I get off. Well, that wasn't too bad. Seems to be able to get off and on the ferry quite easily. Now we're in the island. We just follow all the people. Here I am, with my buddy here. We know each other since when? Since in
diapers.
Since diapers, yeah, literally.
We changed each other's diapers.
Yeah, I actually see her, you know, in diapers, playing a piano, doing the Muppet Baby impression.
Listen, people don't believe him.
Yes, yes indeed.
Vinny say he's lying.
Alright, I'm right now here on the island, aka the landfills. Well, technically used to be the landfills, but part of it anyway, but they filled it in.
Not a tropical island, people, not a tropical
Here's my my sister from another mother that we grew up together with. Say hi to the camera.
Hey guys.
So I'm here with her, checking out her her home. Well, honestly to say, I feel sorry for her in some ways. But
just don't use the bathroom because it smells like Spartacus.
Yeah,
ladies, don't use the restroom in the ferry because it smells like Spartacus.
What? Do not go in there. Woo!
Exactly. Try to hold it before, you know, when you get home.
I'll go in the restaurant.
I'll go in the restaurant. Wait a second. How do these people get up there? Oh, shoot. Is that a walk? No, that's not a walkway. I thought that was a
walkway.
No, I'm looking over this thing here. And I thought that was a walkway. Let me show people what I'm looking at. Imagine try walking on that thing? Yeah, you'll be like a stunt devil trying to walk on that thing. Well, Trish just left on the bus, so now I'm gonna head back home. That's a bad day today. Actually, it wasn't too bad getting around on the ferry. I was able to access most of the places, so it wasn't such a bad trip. I thought I would have a hard time getting around. It wasn't too bad. I was able to get around pretty easily. They got a lot of ramps, a lot of elevators, so that's cool.
It could have been for me.
Now I'm going back into the ferry station and get on to the ferry. So I'll see you in a bit. Look at all these fishes. And they look like they're made for good eating. Now, this is inside the ferry station. So you don't need to go far to see some aquatic wildlife. Hey, smile for the camera. No, maybe not. Get that fish's camera side.